So one of the things that makes these units so robust is that they are very easy to maintain. All you have to do is open the unit up and you can access the filters. The homeowner maintenance is going to be simply checking the intake grill outside and then changing the filters. So the filters are changed just by sliding out the MERV 13 filter. This is a pleated filter, giving it lots of surface area to capture all those particles. So on the intake side, we have the MERV 13. We're simply going to discard that when it's dirty and replace that with a new filter.
And those will get pretty nasty.
I've seen them get pretty nasty, yeah, but you know that that's not going into your lungs.
And let's see the other filter.
On this side, it's going to be a MERV 8. That's just going to be protecting the core, and that's going to capture any pet dander, skin particles, anything that's coming from the home.
So all the air that's getting pulled out of the home is going to pass through that before it goes through the unit, right?
Yep, that's exactly correct. And if you keep up with this maintenance, then the unit's going to be performing well. You can check the pressures as another indication that your filters need to be changed, but you'll have an indication light to change your filters when it's time.
Great.